Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, May 15th, 2026. Today's program covers movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. U.S. stock indexes closed lower today. The S&P 500 index ended at 7,409.18, down by 92.7 points, a 1.2% drop. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index fell by 537.30 points, closing at 49,526.16. All indexes maintained a very strong positive trend despite the dips. Today showed a strong decline across U.S. stock markets. The S&P 500 index saw 350 decliners versus 138 gainers. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite Index had a widespread decline with 2,177 stocks down compared to 699 up. Market breadth was decisively in the red. In terms of returns, the S&P 500 ended the week with a positive total return despite today's decline. The Nasdaq Composite continues to show a year-to-date return of 12.84%. However, the Russell 2000 experienced significant downturns this week. Among U.S. sectors, the energy sector surged today, closing up 20.63 points or 2.3%, showing strong upward momentum over 5 consecutive days. Meanwhile, the financial services displayed a flat trend for the past 4 days, remaining almost unchanged today. Leading the declines, the basic materials sector dropped 17.81 points, a 2.7% decrease, continuing a negative streak for 4 days. The technology sector also faced a downturn, shedding 108.62 points with a positive overall trend, contrasting the dip today. Focusing on global markets, the Singapore ETF saw a minor dip of 0.44%. Despite this, it maintains a strong upward trajectory. Meanwhile, the Philippines ETF lost 0.64%, continuing its negative trend today. In terms of returns, Norway ETF had notable positive outcomes this year, showing a year-to-date return of 28.25%. Conversely, the India ETF experienced a significant decrease with year-to-date returns down by 11.21%, reflecting a strong negative trend. In tech stocks, Apple closed at 300.23, gaining 2.2, marking a new all-time high. Despite Alphabet falling by 3.85 to 393.32, and Amazon declining by 3.8 to 264.14, both maintained a very strong upward trend. Meanwhile, Meta Platforms dropped by 4.20 to 614.23, amid a strong downward trend. NVIDIA saw a significant 10.42 decrease, closing at 225.32, with sideways movement persisting for 3 days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently down to 79,130.85, showing a decrease of 1,948.54, or 2.4%. It maintains a mixed positive trend. Ethereum is also falling, reaching 2,220.77, down 62.31, or 2.7%. with a mixed negative trend and some downward volatility. BNB sits at 673.67, with a minor drop of 4.41. Despite this, it has been volatile upward for 11 days, while also undergoing sideways movement for 3 days. Solana decreased to 89.29, losing 2.84 and experiencing mixed positive trends. Dogecoin is currently at 0.1132, dropping by 0.0022, or 1.9%, while seeing a mixed positive trend and sideways activity for 3 days. Focusing on the returns, Bitcoin has a week-to-date total return of minus 3.73%, but a slightly positive month-to-date return of 3.7%. Year-to-date remains low at minus 9.56%. Ethereum shows a week-to-date return of minus 6.34% and severely negative year-to-date returns at minus 25.15%. BNB has modest gains month-to-date with 9.5% return, despite a year-to-date decrease of 21.99%. Solana echoes this pattern with a notable minus 28.25% year-to-date. Dogecoin makes slight weekly gains of 0.65%, yet maintains a negative position for the year.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently strengthening across major currencies. Against the euro, the greenback is at 0.8601, gaining 0.0035, with a strong positive trend and upward volatility. The British pound saw a significant rise to 0.7509, marking a very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, the dollar is at 158.7650 against the Japanese yen, maintaining a strong trend. Similarly, it's up at 0.7866 against the Swiss franc. The greenback has been advancing, albeit with mixed results against the Australian dollar, reaching 1.3989.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.